Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making my water lily flower. It has been very highly requested, so I'm excited to make it. We will be using 3 size petals, large, medium, and small. You can use more to make it fluffier, to make it, fuller, but I like to make it simple, so I'm using only 3. The tools I will be using, or you will need, scissors, small metal dowel that I have, and a wooden dowel, and of course, hot glue gun. And I always begin by shaping the petals. And I always like to give it a soft shape. So I always like to put it on my palm, press down on the wooden dowel lightly, and it comes along very nicely. Just to give it some shape. I like it because it doesn't crease it. It doesn't make the paper look with a bad crease on it, because their palm is so soft. But that's what I do. And now I start with the wooden dowel going downward. Lightly, you see? Very beautiful. That is one of the most important things of a flower, is the shape you're going to give the petals. I mean, there is some flowers that don't have much shape. They're very plain and they look very beautiful. It's just personal. It's what you like. But I always like to give them a 3D. I invest a little bit more time so that it looks more, I don't know, more real, more to me personally. So there we go. Now, petal number 2, we're going to do slightly different, because this one will start by folding it in the middle and creasing it. Make sure you do get the middle. And then crease it. Not all the way down, just like this. And I do them all. And I want to thank all my subscribers and non-subscribers for coming to my channel, for leaving comments, really sweet comments, which I really appreciate. Asking questions, which I love to answer, And if you do like my channel, please subscribe to it. Tell a friend. I will be uploading more videos soon. I will be uploading the bouquet video that I made last week. And see, now you can see all the creases. And now I'm going to start shaping again, downward with the dowel, with the wooden dowel. And as you can see, there's so many videos out there. Every paper artist is unique. They have their own style. You could literally be using the same template, but everyone makes their flower different. Don't be afraid of, giving it your style. We're all different. Not one flower is the same. And always I like to just shape it. shape the petals with my fingers. Give it like a little touch, a little pinch. Just a little extra. You know? And then crease it a little bit, fold it a little bit. You see how beautiful? And then again, also this one. Touch it up. Bye. Like I told you, I invest a little bit more time on this, but I really like it. And you do what you like. You don't have to make it exactly like me. See how beautiful it's coming along? And now we'll do our third petal. And I will crease this one very lightly. Very lightly. Not all the way. Just very lightly. You know? Not all the way. And so all three petals will be a little bit different. Not a huge difference, but just a little different. Everyone was asking me, when are you going to make your video? Tag me. How did you make this flower? I really like it. I like the soft colors. And so you all really pushed me to do it. You guys encouraged me to come and make videos for you guys because I was kind of afraid, you know, this is all new to me. But you guys are awesome. I love all your comments you leave. They're so sweet. Always complimenting my flowers and just really nice comments. I really appreciate you all. And so here, again, you know, I think I'm not going to go down. I did right now, but I will be, this side I will be taking it up a little bit, you know, not all the way, but just folding it upwards. So that it has a little bit of contrast and it becomes a 3D, you know. And then here what I like to do is, it's folded here. It's not folded, it's curved. So I put it right under the curve. I'll just do this, like, I'll put this like this and then just, I don't know, give it like a 3D. You know, just a little bit. And you don't have to do all the petals. But just, I don't know, just, I always like to go back and retouch, and that's what takes me the most time, you know, because I say, oh no, let me see how it looks, you know, I experiment. Let me try doing this. Let's see how it turns out, you know, and I reshape. And so I'm happy with this, and now again with my hands, my fingers, I start just giving it a little pinch. Just make it even more unique. And again, I fold it so that the petals come up. And then, look how beautiful. So now we're going to start gluing. A little bit of glue in the center. You're going to line it right in the middle, cover the holes. Try to center it as much as you can. See how beautiful? And now we do petal number 3. And we line it with the one in the back. Very simple, very easy to make, and very rewarding after you're finished. And then I touch it up. Okay. And now you see how it looks. And now, time for our center, which I already have ready, and I put some little sticky pearls on here. These little pearls I get at the craft stores, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, like I said before, 99. Wherever I see something that I like, that I can use, I purchase it. And then put a little bit of glue in the center. And then just put it like so. Look how beautiful. And I have this center too, but of course I would not use it on this because it's the same color. But there's so many things you can do. You can change the colors, and it's just beautiful. I really love it. Really, really love it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was helpful, you know, make it easier for you to make this flower. If you want to email me, you can email me at aurorasfinedesigns@gmail.com. And you can visit my pages also, Facebook and Instagram and Twitter at Auroras Fine Designs.